Choreb Beruach, Sword of the Spirit. Interpreted and narrated by Wendy. Bereshit, Genesis, Chapter 6. In the 600th year of the life of Nuakh, in the 2nd month, the 17th day of the month, that same day, all the fountains of the great deep were broken up, and the windows of the heavens were opened, and the rain was upon the earth for 40 days and 40 nights. During that same day, Nuakh and Shem and Ham and Yebet, the sons of Nuakh, and the wife of Nuakh, and the 3 wives of his sons with them, entered into the ark, they and every beast after its kind, and all the livestock after its kind, and every creeping thing that creeps upon the earth after its kind, and every fowl after its kind, every bird of every sort. And they went unto Nuakh into the ark, 2 by 2 of all flesh, in which was the ruach of life. And those who went in male and female of all flesh, as Elohim had commanded him. Then yahuah shut him in. Moreover, the flood was 40 days upon the earth, and the waters increased. Also he lifted up the ark, and it rose above the earth. Thus the waters prevailed and increased greatly upon the earth, and the ark went upon the face of the waters. Moreover, the waters prevailed exceedingly upon the earth, and he covered all the high mountains that are under all the heavens. The waters prevailed 15 cubits upward, and the mountains were covered. Then all flesh that moved upon the earth died, among the fowl, and among the livestock, and among the beasts, and among every creeping thing that creeps upon the earth, and all the Adam, all who had the breath of the ruach of life in their nostrils, of all who were on dry land, died. And he wiped out everything that existed, which was upon the face of the Adamah, from Adam and livestock, and the creeping things, and the fowl of the heavens. Thus they were destroyed from the earth. Yet only Nuakh and those who were with him in the ark remained alive. And the waters prevailed upon the earth for 150 days. Then Elohim remembered Nuakh, and every living thing, and all the animals that were with him in the ark. And Elohim made a wind to pass over the earth, and the waters subsided. Also, the fountains of the deep and the windows of the heavens were stopped. And the rain from the heavens was restrained, and the waters returned from off the earth continually. Therefore, after the end of 150 days, the waters decreased, and the ark gave consolation on the 17th day of the 7th month, above the mountains of Ararat. Furthermore, the waters decreased continually until the 10th month. In the 10th month, on the 1st day of the month, the tops of the mountains were seen. And it came to pass at the end of 40 days, that Nuakh opened the window of the ark which he had made, and he sent forth a raven, which went forth to and fro until the waters were dried up from off the earth. Also he sent forth a dove from himself, to see if the waters were abated from off the face of the Adamah. But the dove found no rest for the sole of her feet. And she returned to him into the ark, for the waters were upon the face of the whole earth. And he put forth his hand, then he took and pulled her towards himself into the ark. And he stayed yet another 7 days. And again he sent forth a dove out of the ark. And the dove came in unto him during the evening, and lo, in her mouth was an olive leaf plucked off. Thus Nuakh knew that the waters were abated from off the earth. And he stayed yet another 7 days. Then he sent forth the dove, which did not return to him any more.